Adana has many safe areas where family can camp in its green nature, valleys and canyons. We have compiled information for you about places where you can camp in nature or at the sea, paid camping areas, and areas where you can stay in different ways such as tents and caravans. You can find answers to many questions such as where these camping areas are, how to get there, entrance fees and camping activities. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel for the continuation of such content. Yumurtalık Lagoon National Park Camping Area. One of the places where you can stay in Adana is Yumurtalık Bird Sanctuary. You can go to the small paradise, which is approximately 50 kilometers away from the city center, with your private car and public transportation. You can see the Aleppo pine tree here, which rarely grows in our lands, and visit different types of birds. It is possible to see birds such as spoonbill, flamingo, tern, stork and marsh swallow here. It is an ideal place for hiking and camping. You can meet your needs such as toilets and fountains in the surrounding residential areas. There are no facilities such as a bird watchtower, security, sink, shower, fountain or electricity, and you must provide your food and beverage needs before coming to the camping area. You can stay at a very affordable price in terms of camping fees. For example, the fees are 8 TL for individuals, 4 TL for students, and 24 TL for cars and trucks. Yılmaz Camping. Located in Yumurtalık, Yılmaz Camping offers its guests a camping opportunity where the sea and green nature meet. It is 80 kilometers away from the city center. It has a fire area, changing cabin, shower, tent area, bungalow, toilet, restaurant, table, chairs and beach. The camping area with its own area is suitable for families. Guests can also have a fun time by visiting on a daily basis. We recommend that you get information about availability before going to the facility. You may not be able to find an available space in the camping facility, which is frequently visited especially on weekends. You can easily reach it by public transportation and your own vehicle. In addition to a quiet, peaceful holiday experience for campers and their daily guests, the camping area also offers camping facilities and amenities such as fountains, toilets, showers, old-style bungalows and tents. Medcezir Kamping. Another camping area in Yumurtalık is Medcezir Kamping. Medcezir Kamping is a more luxurious camping area compared to Yılmaz Camping. For this reason, people who prefer this place generally spend longer time here. The nature of Medcezir Kamping, which provides extra services Medcezir Camping, which blends green and blue very successfully, also stands out with its beach. You can have tent camping and bungalow house holidays at the seaside location. The camping facility is suitable for families and groups of friends. You can have an isolated camping and bungalow holiday away from the city noise in the facility, which has umbrellas, sun loungers, tables, chairs, beach area, hot water, internet, market, water, electricity, tent area, restaurant and bungalow area. You can easily reach the campsite by public transportation or your own vehicle. You need to contact the property for information about the fees. The phone number is 0531 466 4002. Magarsus Camping. Magarsus Camping Area, one of the peaceful places where you can spend time with the unique beauties offered by nature and fresh air, is located within the borders of Karataş. You can reach the camping area, which is 55 kilometers away from the city center, with your private vehicles and public transportation. You can easily go swimming in the camping area, which is close to the sea. Bathroom, toilet and internet facilities are available in the camping area. Magarsus Camping, which is especially preferred in the summer months, you can make an early reservation for the area. Since there are no facilities in the Magarsus camping area, food needs must be provided before arriving at the camping area. Additionally, there is no area to meet toilet and shower needs. The phone number is 0538 484 0116. Toprak Camping. If you want green and blue to meet in the place where you will camp, stay away from technology, give importance to hygiene and cleanliness in the place you will stay, be at the seabed but also have facilities such as electricity, barbecue area, cafe, sink, shower, table chairs and tents for rent, Toprak Camping is perfect. According to you. Adana Camping Area, which you can reach in 10 minutes by car from Adana's Yumurtalık district center, offers you an extremely quiet, peaceful and safe holiday opportunity. It is a place where you can go with your family with peace of mind. It is clean and tidy. There is a socket and a light under every tree. There is a market and a bakery right next to it. There are things to meet your general needs. If you go with your own tent, the daily fee is 200 TL. If you have one of them, it is 300 TL. The phone number is 0535 466 66 39. Karataş Kumluk Nature Park. Karataş Nature Park, located on the seafront in Karataş, Adana. It is suitable for tent camping, caravan camping and bungalow home accommodation. You can have an isolated camping and picnic in the nature park, which has a fountain, parking lot, picnic area, toilet, playground, trekking track, changing cabin, shower, camellia and restaurant. The distance between the nature park and Adana city center is 57 kilometers. You can travel between Adana and Karataş by shuttle, minibus and minibus. Entrance to Karataş Nature Park is paid, and a fee is required for bungalow accommodation. You can also meet your needs such as toilets and bathrooms in the Karataş Kumluk Nature Park camping area. There are also buffets, markets and restaurants in the Karataş Kumluk Nature Park camping area. The phone number is 0312 207 5000. Esen Camping. It is one of the paid camping areas located in Adana Yumurtalık region. The camping area is suitable for both tent camping and caravan camping. The camping area has facilities such as sinks and showers and is located very close to the sea. There is no big market or anything like that in the vicinity, so it is better to go with provisions. Camping. Providing service within walking distance to the sea in Yumurtalık, Adana, camping is suitable for a bungalow holiday. It has a double bed, a single bed, toilet, bathroom, kitchen, refrigerator, air conditioning, television, balcony, table, chair and barbecue facilities. Also on-site apartment rental service is also available for students. The business, which also provides boat rental services, is one of the businesses where families can easily stay. You can easily reach it by using public transportation and your own vehicle. Karaisalı Kabaklı Camping. It is a great place to go and spend time with your family. Entrance to set up a tent is 75 TL per person. There are toilets, sinks, water, electricity and shared refrigerator services. Almost everywhere is a very suitable place for canopy tent camping. Being next to the Korkan stream adds a special comfort to the environment, and the camping owners are very attentive and friendly, and there is live music on Saturday evenings. In general, there is a bit of a fly problem, but since you are in nature, this can be ignored. We have come to the end of our list of paid camping areas in Adana for now. You can share the caravan or normal camping areas in Adana with us in the comments section. You can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We hope you have a nice camp and have a nice holiday.